In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a website for music artists. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. It is also beginner friendly. And be sure to stick around until the end, as I will be showing you how to upload your music and also how to set up booking so that persons could book you to perform at an event and so on. Once you have created your Wix account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page and you are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, you're going to simply type in music right on the search bar right here. Then you can select music artists. You can also scroll down and you can see that there are numerous other options that you could go in. You could select music artist portfolio, music studio, or so on. We're going to be selecting music artists for this example. Then we're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you'll give it a few seconds while your dashboard is loading up. Once the dashboard has loaded up, you'll enter the name of your site. Then you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can see the recommended apps. So for example, the portfolio app. So this will allow you to display your music. So you can see it right there. You can also select video. This will allow you to share, stream, and sell your videos. You can also select music and you can see bands in town. So this will allow you to list all your upcoming live events. And if it is a case that you would like to sell anything, for example, let's say you would like to sell some merchandise or so on, you could select online store right here. And then from there, you'll be able to list your merchandise. Once everything is to your liking, and by the way, you can also select Instagram feed, which allow you to display your pictures and videos from Instagram. After you're finished, you're going to tap on continue, then tap on continue to dashboard. Once you have selected continue to dashboard, you will be redirected to this page. And this is how your dashboard looks. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on portfolio. From here, you could select music videos, for example, or you could select live performance, or if you like to select album covers or behind the scenes, you can select whichever one of these options, and then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can tap on upload from computer, and from there you'll be able to upload your work so that when someone comes onto your website, they'll be able to view your previous work. So you can tap right there, then you'll tap on set. After doing that, if you would like to sell videos, you could select video library from the left hand menu option. Then from here, you could tap on upload videos. Then you could select computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive, and you could upload your videos, or you could paste in a video URL right there. Let's say, for example, I were to select a video for this example. So let's say I were to select this video. I'm going to be selecting this video, better yet. Then I'll tap on open. While it is loading up, I'll show you what to do. So you can tap on the pencil right here. After tapping on the pencil, you'll be able to edit the video title. You can also select a category. You can also add a description. And you could also choose your cover image. Once you have scrolled down from here, you could select paid. So that means that you could charge customers or better yet your viewers to download or play your video. Or you can give it away for free if you want. If you were to select paid, after selecting paid, you will be able to set the price. You can also see whether you like to allow download options. So you can select allow downloads, and this means that persons will be able to download it. Then from there, you will tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And this is how you'll be able to sell videos on your website. Another thing that you can also do is if we were to select music library, so we can select music library from the left hand menu option. From here, you could tap on create album and you will be able to create your first album. So you could add in your album name, artist name, then scroll down, add in the description. Then from here, you could set the price that you would like to sell it for. After you have set the price, you could simply tap on save and add tracks in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to upload your audio tracks, or better yet your songs. So you can do that real quick. You can add your albums, you can add singles, you can also create a playlist. Once you have done all of this, if you would like to set it up so that you can start getting paid online through your Wix website, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select getting paid. After selecting getting paid, you're going to tap on connect payment method. Depending on the region you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, I can offer TiloPay and PayPal, but if I were to change my location by tapping on Jamaica right here and change my location to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I'll be able to offer my customers more payment options. For example, Wix payment method. And if I were to tap on see more payment options, you can see that I can also offer Afterpay, Alipay, and so much more. So it all depends on the country you're located in. Once you're finished setting that up, all you'll need to do now is tap on set up in the top left hand corner. From here, you can tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see some recommended themes that you can use, and you can scroll down and you can select any one of these themes that you'd like to use. So let's say, for example, the theme that I would like to use is this one. I'll tap on edit. Then from there, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you how you can quickly edit it. So at the moment, this is how our website looks. What I would normally do is I would close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can start making your changes. So for example, we could edit the image right here by tapping on quick edit. After tapping on quick edit, you could change the image by tapping on change right beside the image. Then you could tap on image. After you have done that, you could select upload media in the top left hand corner to upload an image. So let's say, for example, I'll type in musician right here, and I'm going to be using a copyright free image. Let's say, for example, I would like to change the current image to something else. Let's say this image, I could simply select it, or better yet this one. Then I'll tap on change background, and you can see how it looks right there. You can also edit the text, so I could tap on the text and you could edit the text from the right hand column, as you can see right here. After you're finished doing that, you could edit this section also, so you could choose the music that is being displayed, and you can see that it also offers Apple Music and Spotify, as you can see right here. And I will be showing you how to add those players if you want. So all you'll need to do if you would like to add Apple Music or Spotify music player, but you can see right here, from here you'll be able to add your song. So you could tap on it, tap on manage your music. After you have tapped on manage your music, you'll be able to add the song that you would like to display right here. But if it is a case that you would like to, for example, add Apple Music or Spotify to a particular page, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. Then from there, you could select video and music. After selecting video and music, you can either select one of the video players, or you could select one of the music players. So you could select audio player, and from there you'll be able to play a snippet, or you can play a song entirely. You can also set it up to automatically play once someone visits your website. You can also add music from SoundCloud, Spotify, or iTunes, as you can see right here. So you'll be able to directly link your music from iTunes onto your new website. And by the way, in this section, you will find all elements. So whether you like to add text, music, pictures, anything at all to your website, you'll find it in this section. And once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you can simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, then tap on publish for your website to go live. And to edit any section, all you have to do is hover over it, then tap on quick edit, and from there you can make the changes. So I could change the text right here. So I could type in my name. It is as easy as that. And to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see all pages. So for example, if I were to select music, you can see how the music page looks. So this is the layout. If I were to tap right there, select video, you can see how the video page looks right there. So you can see that it looks very professional. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.